Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, you are doing all your daily routines and keeping your body and then healthy, right? How you are keeping your body strength and healthy? By doing yoga and exercise. With that, we are learning the small habits and also the awareness. Right now, yesterday what we learned? Yes, how we should be careful with the fire. Today we will move to next. How we should handle with the knife. Yes, knife is very sharp. Where we use the knives? In cutting the fruits, vegetables and in electric items also. With electric items we will use the knife. Then where we use the knife? Yes, while cutting some papers also we will use the knife. Okay? Yes. How we should be careful with the knife? Yes, when mama is cutting the vegetables, you should not put your hands in between or you should not drag her roughly. Yes, otherwise she get injured for her fingers. Yes, no children? Yes. Then you should not use the knives alone. You should use the knife with your mama's help. Why you use the knife? Only when you need to cut the fruits. I gave them a task no to learn how to cut the carrots. That time you might have used the knife with mama's help. Yes? Yes. How you should hold the knife? The sharp one should be always down and you should not play with the knife. At the end you need to hold the knife where there is a gripper. Okay? Yes. Then you should not keep the knives nearby babies if there anyone is there at home. Okay, you should not throw the knife here and there or anywhere in the kitchen. You should keep it safety. It should be far to reach from the babies. Okay? You all do know when handling the knife, you should be very careful. Good? Yes. Yes, no? Yes. Now shall we move to our class? Till yesterday, first is our English. Till yesterday what we learnt? The beginning consonants, phonic sounds, with phonic sounds. Yes, no? We learned the 5 sets of beginning consonants. Means the words start with that letters. Right? Today we are moving to ending consonants. What is ending consonant? What is ending consonant? Can you tell me what is ending consonant? For example, if you write bed, here B is the beginning consonant, right? Yes, no? Yesterday you learned no? B is beginning consonant, correct? Here, what is D? This is the ending consonant, correct? Yes, children? Here, B-E-D, B is beginning consonant and D is ending consonant. consonant. Why I am telling that D is ending consonant? Yes, the words which ends with the consonant. That the last word is the ending consonant. Okay? You all understood? I'll give another one example. Dog. D O G. Here G is the ending consonant. The letter or alphabet which ends with the consonant. The last letter is a ending consonant. Okay, till now we learned only the phonic sound of the beginning. Now we are going to the ending sound. Okay, why we are not going to the middle one? Can you tell me? Yes, because always the middle one will be the vowels. Yes, the middle one always will be the most of the things vowels. Okay. Today we are concentrating only with the ending consonants. Okay. Shall I give some examples? We will see which letters we are working for today. Okay. The letters are B, D, F and G. The ending consonants of B, D, F, G. Okay. For the B, what is that? What is the ending consonants for B? Tub. Okay, B comes in the last. Rub. B comes in the last. Cub. What is cub? The younger ones of the animals. It is called a cub. Tub, rub, cub. All the B are at the end. Correct? No? This is the ending consonants. What is the phonic sound of B? B. It comes in the last. When you start the word, the end will be the B. So this is the ending consonant. Okay? We will move to D. Okay? Red. Bed. Mud. Okay, all the D's are in the end, right? The comes in the end of the word. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಧ. Okay, that is the ending consonant. F. F. What are the words? Leaf, beef, then what? Leaf, beef, then shelf. What is shelf? All the F's are in the end. Okay, what is shelf? The place most of all where you keep your books. Okay, leaf, fur, it is coming in end. That phonic sound is at the end. Beef, yes, this is also phonic sound is at the end. Okay, the next one is G. Okay, what is the words which comes from G? Jug, mug, bug. Yes, no, all the G's are at the end. Jug means it's a pot where we use for water. Mug, it's also the tumbler which we'll use for drinking like coffee or juice. Bug is a, what is bug? It's some kind of an insect. Okay, these all are the ending consonants of G. Children, what is the ending consonant? The difference of the beginning consonant and ending consonant is beginning consonant, the phonic sound you will hear in the first. Okay, ending consonant, the phonic sound you will hear at the end. Okay, this is the main difference. Okay, I will do one small example. example for this. Regarding this, we'll see what is that. What is this? Leaf. Very good. The letter, what is the ending consonant of leaf? L? No. Because we are working on the ending consonant. What you learned in the last? Very good. You have to write here F. Correct? Correct? Yes. Yes. Like that, we will do another thing. What is this? I pronounce this tub. What is the ending consonant of tub? B. B means B. Correct? Correct or not? Yes. These all are ending consonant. Yes? Yes or not? You are getting no? For leaf, I have written F because ending consonant of leaf is F. Tub. This one I have written here. Okay? Okay? And write another one thing. What is this? This is mug. G. Mug. G means it's a G. The ending consonant is mug. Okay? Like this, you need to work it out. Okay? These are the ending consonant of pictures. Ending consonant means the phonic sound which you will hear in the end. Okay? For that, I am giving one homework. Okay? It's a page number. Homework. Reading readiness book. Okay? Page number 13 and page number 14. Both the page you need to do. Okay, page number 13, reading readiness book, page number 13. What is given? Write the correct letter to complete each word. First you have to write your name, then the date. First they are given crab, B. So they are written B. Next one is bag, B-A. G means G. The third one is bed. D means you have to write D. Like that you need to do. The 14th page, complete the word with corresponding ending consonant. Okay. First one is bird. D means D. Bib. B means B. Jug. G means G. Shelf. F means F. Like that you have to do. And another one is match the picture to the corresponding ending consonant. Both the pictures you need to see. You have to match from both the sides. Okay children. children? You will all do now? Yes. Okay. Now we are moving to our maths class. In maths class, what we learn? The numbers 1 to 11 to 20. We learned no? 11 to 20? Yes or not? Yes? 11 to 20. Okay. 11 to 20. Numbers. How you written? Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. You learned no? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes? Yes? Yes. Now today we are learning number names. 11. E-N-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-E-V-E. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. N-I-N-E-T-E-N 19. And the last one is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Okay, children? Till now, we learn numbers and names. Okay? Numbers and names. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and the last one is 20. Okay? This is the numbers and number names. Okay? This is the counting of numbers and number names. Okay? With that, we can see the before number. Okay? I am going to teach you today before number. Okay? Before 16, what is there? Can you see on the board? Before 16, what is there? 15 is there. Yes. Okay? Before 18, which number is there? Before means you have to go like this. Before 18, what is that? 17. Like this, it is called a before number. Okay? The today's homework is you all have mathematics readiness book, right? In that page number 14, You need to trace the number. Okay, trace the number and you have to write the page number 15. Okay, you have to do the page number 14 and 15. That is, you need to trace the numbers and also you need to write the same thing in the next page. Okay, that will do now. Okay, 14 and 15. Okay, that will do now. Then now we are going to our concept EVS. Okay, EVS, it's our general science. Till now what we learned? My body parts, my family. Now we are going to my home. Your home. What is your home? What is the home? Home means the place where we live. Correct, no? That may be big home, small home, but the place where we live. Yes? At home, what and all you will see? The rooms, furnitures, staircase, balcony, car parking spot. Then what? Your family members also in the home only. Then kitchen utensils. Then clothes. Then so and so. My home is consist of everything. Our daily needs also. With that, our family members also. Now, briefly, can we see what are there at home? Yes. One is, first is our puja room, where we make puja. Yes, no? At home, at your home also there, no? Puja room. Second one is living room. Yes. The third one is dining hall. Fourth one is study room. Fifth one is kitchen. Today we learn only these 5 things. Okay. Puja room is where you will make the puja. Yes, there the God's photo will be there. You will light the diya there. Yes, and you will pray the God there. It is the puja room. Second one is living room. Living room is nothing but where you will see the TV, where you live for this long time. Like sofa sets will be there, and you will watch the TV and all. Yes. Yes, that is living room. Okay. The third one is dining hall. Dining hall is nothing but there will be dining set where you will have your meals. Breakfast, dinner, supper and the lunch and all you will have there on the dining table. That is called the dining room or dining hall. Okay. Next, study room. It's a room where preferably you will go and sit for study. There your father will also work in the laptop. Okay. The kitchen. Only we are concentrating on 5. So many places are there. Today we are only concentrating on 5. Kitchen. It is the very important place where mama will cook a delicious food for you. That is the kitchen. Yes, no? There you can find so many items like vessels, stove, knife, then what? Water contents, then excuse me, the plates, tumblers, yes, that and all you can find in the kitchen. Yes, no? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Now tomorrow we will learn some other. Okay. Today I give some homework on this. That is your interleaf book. Paste or draw picture of house. Heading my house and name the places you find. Like, what is that? Basement, like that. Anything, what and all you can see, you can place that one. Okay? Like doors, or if you see the portica, you can write a portica like that. And on the 4-line side, you have to write some words. What are those? Four-line side. You have to first write the heading my home. Okay, my home. Then you have to write house. First one is house. Second one is garage. Third one is roof. Fourth one is window. Fifth one is door. Sixth one is chimney. Seventh one is garden. These you need to write the keywords. Okay? Yes, children, you all understood now? In the homework, interleaf book, first in the left side, you have to paste or draw the picture of house. My house, you have to put the heading and name the places you find. Like if you find the roof, you have to paste it as a roof. If you see the window, you have to write the window. If you see the door, you have to write the door. In the front, if you see the garden, you have to name it as a garden. In the right side, in the 4-line side, interleaf book, what you have to write? Heading you have to write as a my home. In that the keyword is house, garage, roof, window, door, chimney and garden. This is the some places where we found as a home. These all consist of a home. If one home is there, the small all these essentials should be there. Yes, now children, today what we learned? The ending consonant of B, D, F, G, and in the maths we learned 1 to 20 number and number names and some forwarding also. Okay. In EVS we learn my home and the importance of the home. Okay children, that's all for today. Have a nice day and enjoy. Bye.